So we just bought a brand new Mini RC Spitfire.
And in this video, we're going to be testing the limits of this plane with takeoffs, landings, overall flight, aerobatics, and to top it off, we're going to do some bunker landings. Let's get into it. Beautiful.
Oh, that was look at that climb.
Oh yeah, that's actually beautiful right now. Oh. Oh, nice.
Alright, so now we're going to plug in the plane. This plane did come with some batteries. So you just plug it into here, turn on the controller, and it binds. So now if you go up, down, turn it on, up, down, and we've got power. Alright, so now we're going to be testing the takeoff. So got a little runway here. Hopefully it can make it to the end. Alright, let's see what this thing got.
Beautiful.
Oh, that was it.
Oh,
look at that
my.
climb. That's in beginner, by the way.
Yeah.
That's almost straight climb. Alright, so this is our second takeoff.
Wow, so smooth.
Okay, so this is our third takeoff. Beauty.
Fourth and final takeoff. Let's go. Another beautiful. This plane is really good at taking off. So this will be landing number 1. Let's see it.
Oh, airspeed is not too good at this.
Almost.
Alright, this is our second landing with David landing the plane.
Almost.
Oh, that was so
So
good.
I can definitely say this. These planes definitely go up a lot faster at slow speed than the P-51. So like the P-51, you can bring it a lot slower in, but this thing really wants to go. I feel like it's stalling out, right, Hugo? Like,
Yeah.
It's slow. But like it's still a good lander. And today we have 0 wind, so like that's a big factor in these little planes. When it's just a little bit of wind, it instantly slows it down. So.
And now David's coming in for our third landing. Oh, almost greased it.
Time for our fourth and final landing. Let's go.
I'm going to try and absolutely butter this one.
Yeah.
Using the Strats for our butter tutorial.
Yeah, make sure you watch that. Uh-oh. Ooh. Almost got the bail. So Hugo wants one more landing. He really wants to butter this, so
Yes, sir.
we're doing another one. Almost. Oh.
It's gonna take a while to get used to this plane. It
Yeah.
works so differently from the red P-51 that we actually lost in the last video, sadly. So go check that video out if you want to know how. Alright, so now we're going to be testing out the aerobatics on this plane. So most of these Volantex planes come with a aerobatics button on the top left of the controller. So when you hit this and you move the ailerons to the side, it should do a barrel roll. And if you hit it and you pull up, it should do a backflip. So now we're going to test out if it actually works.
Okay.
Also, this plane has like so much, like you go straight up in beginner.
Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah.
I cannot imagine what medium is like with this. Alright, let's do our first test, the barrel roll.
Oh, beautiful.
That was pretty smooth.
Yeah. Sorry, Planex doesn't have the budget for better cameras than this, so.
Ready?
Oh, that was good. That was good.
Really smooth. Alright, let's try the backflip one.
That's definitely a faster, like all of the the P-51 does it like a lot slower than the Spitfire.
Let's go. Woo, a bit wonky.
But it still did it, like
Still did it.
compared to all of our other like.
Let's try it again.
single
Maybe I
propeller
just hit it
planes.
wrong.
Yeah.
The sound of this plane is like pretty crazy. Yeah, it does like a lot to the side.
Yeah. So now we're gonna do some medium flying, cause these planes they come in you can put in modes of flight. So right now I'm in beginner up here. Then there's medium where there's like You still have gyro, but it's a lot more whippy. And then there's expert with absolutely zero gyro. But with these little planes, like any wind will mess it up. So we need to find medium. So let's see how we'll do in medium. I'm actually really excited to see how medium does, because like this one's one of the most whippiest planes we've ever seen so far on the channel.
I completely agree. It's really whippy. Okay, ready? Play.
Alright, that was just beginner. Now
Alright,
medium.
we have swapped to medium. Oh god,
Medium,
that thing
it
is...
feels like expert on like a P-51. That's crazy. Let's try a quick Cobra. Oh shit.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Very whippy.
So we did okay and nothing broke.
Nothing really broke after that insanely big crash.
I did it on purpose for a durability test.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna throw into the air one more time, and then we're gonna move on to the bunker testing. Alright.
Okay, I'm gonna try to do a backflip closer now.
I saw it pretty... Oh, like I'm zooming in.
Okay, ready? Now medium. Okay, there we go. Get the speed. Oh shit.
Oh, nice loop.
That
Didn't crash this time.
Oh yeah, that guy told us it's a loop, not a backflip. Oh shit, we're low power, that's why.
Low power. Is it falling out of
Out of battery now. I mean, there's no wind right now, and like, when there's no wind, you can hear the beeping. It tells you when it's low power. Yes. I mean, it's a little late.
a bit late on this plane.
A little bit late, but like, you can see that definitely like, when there's no wind, these planes just like, you almost don't even notice when it's low power. But if there was wind, we definitely would have noticed though.
And now that we have made it this far into the video, I should mention that we are dropping merch. We have Planex hats and shirts, and we also have our custom World War II Warbird series shirts. We will have a t-shirt for every plane you have ever seen on our channel. Spitfire is coming soon. And I know that the store looks very basic at the moment, but don't worry, it's still in progress. We wanted to give you guys access to our merch as soon as we could, so go check it out with the link in the description. Now let's get to bunker flying. Alright, so now we're on the bunker, and we're going to be doing some takeoffs and landings on the bunker to see how well we can land it on here. We've got our wire set up, as you can see behind. So we're going to come in from the field, and we're going to try and hit the wire.
Let's go.
So let's go do our first takeoff.
Beautiful. Okay, let's go. We'd have to trim it out a bit. Too much up. Okay, it looks a little bad because like the Mustangs, like you guys see videos on our channel, a bunch of like the Mustangs buttering landings here, but the thing is that we have like zero wind, and usually the Mustangs when they butter, we actually have wind, but like I feel like this plane would do better with wind. Oh yeah, that's actually beautiful right now. Almost. Oh my god. Yeah, let's see if we can bring it in. Oh god, that did not sound good. Chance for the plane to land. Let's see it. Oh, that did not sound good. It's like completely fine. I'm not gonna lie.
Never mind. All right, so now David's gonna try to do some bunker landings. Last time, he has a bit of bad luck on this. All right, we lost control of the plane.
Where's it going? No.
You have control?
No. It just fully lost. It's not turning.
What the fuck is it?
Right now, so I have to redeem my self-esteem now.
Yeah. See what happens. Hopefully it doesn't hit us.
Yeah, I gotta gain back that trust in these planes.
All right. Nice takeoff.
For now.
So you may have noticed we are using the Planex joysticks. So somebody asked us in the comments to sell these. Let us know if you guys would want these, because we are probably gonna make a newer, more updated version where it's like a lot more comfortable, a lot more realistic. So let's see if you would like to buy these, and we might sell them.
Didn't getting this thing.
Oh. Oh, nice.
Oh, almost. Okay. Gotta get some butter landing here, right, Hugo?
Whoa, it hit our camera.
Definitely, snapped out the wheel.
It hit our camera. Oh no.
Oh shit.
Okay, it just popped out.
Yeah, that's fine. That happens a lot of times with these planes.
Yeah, pop out. We're being kind of dumb with these planes.
We just took out that camera.
Okay, yeah, our cameras got absolutely taken out.
Yeah.
Well, okay.
This video was more of a durability test than an actual test flight, but this plane was really good. Definitely recommend for people who like more maneuverable planes, because this is definitely the most maneuverable mini plane that we got so far.
And it's also really good for beginners with the gyro.
Definitely. And very durable, as you can see. Not in a scratch after except the wheel. Not in a scratch after all those scratches. It still looks beautiful and really well detailed. One of the most detailed planes we got yet, like with the paint job and all these little details on the wing and everything. So definitely recommend this plane for people who want it.
So that's gonna be it for today. Subscribe if you want to see this plane again in more videos. Probably gonna do some sort of comparison video like we used to. And please, Volantex, sponsor us. We've been like showing off your plane so much. So please reach out to us. All right, goodbye everyone.